my beautiful friends. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Finishing Touch Flawless. It's the facial hair remover. It says it's new, and I did research this a lot because I have one that I purchased about 2 years ago, and it was white. It's in a different color than this. It's white, and this is supposed to be like a Parisian blue color. Just want to see if, with the light, if you could see a little bit better. So yeah, now when I was researching this one, I came across where supposedly this one is new and improved, because I had seen like a commercial like about a month ago. So I purchased this one from Walmart, okay, because it was on a rollback for like almost $12 or something, or under $12, just under $12 actually, on a rollback. Because originally they're like $19.99. I think I may have seen them for like $24.99 at some places. And I really do like the color. I should have taken out my other one, so maybe we could kind of compare a little bit. But we are definitely going to unbox this today, and let's see. So I will be right back. Okay, so this was this little piece of tape down here. I try to keep the box, you know, intact, just in case this didn't work or didn't work properly. I could, you know, return it, hopefully. I don't see why not. But hopefully there is no issues with this. I think it comes with a battery. I think they all, yeah, battery included. Yep. Let's see here. Now the other one that I've had has worked pretty well, but I will say that it is getting, I think, a little worn out. But what I did, which I probably should not have did, this little brush, I think you're supposed to clean. I don't really use this brush. I think you're supposed to like clean out the little, oh yeah, you're supposed to clean, which I don't really use this too much. You're supposed to clean out, I'm going to show you. You know, I think already probably what I mean. So, okay, it's so nice and sleek. It really looks like it's just a lipstick. Okay. So like when you take off, this part right here comes off. And then down in this area is where it collects the hair. So with the brush, you know, you could, but I just dump it like that, and pretty much most of it comes out. Sometimes I use a Q-tip, actually. Sometimes I find cleaning it, not just me, don't wet it or anything. I just do it with a, you know, dry Q-tip. But yeah, this part right here will come off, and this is how you turn it on and off. You push it, you know, up for on, down for off. And I'm curious to see, let's see what battery they gave. Okay, they gave this kind, turbo cell. I don't know if I've ever heard of that. Now, well, what I will say about the other one that I had, what I did was I ordered little tops like this, replacement, off of eBay and Amazon, but they were like dupes to this. They weren't the actual real one to this make, to the Finishing Touch Flawless. So that, I think, is not a good idea, because I feel like it doesn't really work that well. I think it's better to just honestly get the actual real replacement heads, which are more money, and I was trying to save a little bit of money, but in the long run, I personally think it's not a very good idea. Now, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to put this on pause again, the video, and we're going to turn this baby on. Okay, so here we go. It's got the light on it. I think they all come like pretty much the same like this with, and now this, you could push this down a little bit and feel, they want you to use this in a circular motion, that it even says it on the bottom here, which I've always used it in a circular type of motion anyway. And the light, I'm just not sure really if that really helps or not, but so yeah, so that's it for this. Now I will just read some other things off real quick before we end this video. Whoops. Decorations here. Okay, for Christmas there. Alright, so we got it 18 karat gold plated, right, the built-in light, contours around the face, ultra precision, gentle on all skin types, and I think it is dermatologist recommended or approved. And that's the back of it. So yeah, so that's it. So let me know, guys, what you think of this product. And I will say that it does not cause any pain, and it does work really well. I'm hoping this one, if this one is the new and improved one, it will work even better than the other one I have from 2 years ago. Because it works, I will say it works really well. It's really quick, really easy, really convenient. I highly recommend it. Even for $20, which I paid that with the other one that I had. So that's all for today, everyone. Thank you guys for liking my videos all the time, commenting, subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers that I see that have came on recently. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.